Key benefits of Rabta API for businesses. 1. Verified WhatsApp business account. Get an official green tick badge. Builds trust, authority, and credibility with customers. 2. Automated customer service. Use chatbots to answer FAQs instantly, reduce response time, and improve customer experience. Checkmark 3. Bulk messaging and marketing. Send offers, promotions, and updates to thousands of users at once. Much more effective than SMS/email. WhatsApp has a 98% open rate. 4. Integration with business tools. Connect WhatsApp with your CRM, website, or ERP. Manage all customer conversations in one place. 5. Secure and reliable end-to-end encryption ensures customer data safety. No risk of number ban, unlike unauthorized tools. 6. Rich media communication. Send images, videos, PDFs, invoices, maps, and catalogs. Make customer communication more engaging. 7. Multi-agent access. Multiple agents can manage the same WhatsApp number. Perfect for businesses with support teams. 8. 24/7 availability. Bots can handle customer queries anytime. Customers don't need to wait for working hours. 9. Personalized messaging. Send customized messages with names, order IDs, tracking links, etc. Improves customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Checkmark 10. Global reach. Reach customers anywhere in the world. No international SMS charges.